If you've been uploading videos on YouTube and you are stuck at 0 views, 10 views, 20 views, I mean, it just seems as if it's not working for you. I know how that feels. Yes, I understand how that feels. But I'm gonna tell you the truth. Building a successful YouTube channel is not as difficult as it seems. Oh yes, it is not as difficult as it seems. This is coming from somebody that has built not one, not two, I mean several YouTube channels from scratch. I can tell you for a fact that it is not as difficult as it seems. And so in this video today, I want to show you the exact strategy, the step-by-step process that you can use to build a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you have no fancy equipment, you have 0 experience, this video is for you. It's gonna be a step-by-step process, so ensure you follow through, ensure you watch to the end. It's packed with lot of value. You're welcome to the 10xpreneur. Here on this channel, I create content on how to start and build a successful YouTube channel. I share tips and tricks and strategy that will help you grow and monetize your YouTube channel fast. So without any further ado, let's just dive straight into it. The very first step to building a successful YouTube channel is do not try to be everywhere. Do not try to create content for everybody. You need to focus on a particular niche. You know, when we use the word niche, it seems confusing. I'm going to break it down. Here is the thing. Here on YouTube, you cannot be creating video for everybody. You cannot be creating cooking video and at the same time you're creating sports video. At the same time you're creating how to start the business. At the same time you're doing it is a lot. Okay, you cannot be everywhere. The YouTube algorithm understands specification. You need to specify what your channel is all about and the type of videos you create on your channel. Trust me, if you try to be everywhere, at the end of the day you will be nowhere. You will be nowhere. That is why you're not seeing growth. You're uploading videos here and there, up and down. There is no growth. Why? Because you are not specific. So this is me telling you that the first step, the number one step to building a successful YouTube channel is for you to pick a particular niche. If you know you understand business, you love business, why not focus on creating content around starting and growing a successful business in Nigeria, in your country, wherever. If you know you understand banking, you understand investments, why not start creating videos centered around investment that people can do, different stuff they can buy, and you know, create videos around that particular thing you understand and you love doing. If you know you understand sports, you love sports, you can start a YouTube channel where you come analyze different football matches or different games. You can start that as a YouTube channel and you concentrate on it. If you enjoy teaching, just like I do, I enjoy teaching a lot. You can create a YouTube channel teaching people different things, just like this channel you're watching. I'm teaching you how to grow, monetize your YouTube channel and even other social media platforms. So pick a niche and focus on that particular niche. There is this saying that there is riches in niches, and when it comes to YouTube, that is true, 100% true. If you want to grow faster, you want to make money, you need to focus on something at a time. That is why you see most people have different channels. If they want to focus on cooking, they have a channel for cooking. If they want to focus on relationship advice and all the marriage advice and all that, they have a separate channel for it. So focus on a particular need. Choose what you love doing. See YouTube as something you want to do for the longest time. Choose something that you can do easily. Like for me, I can teach for the whole day. I'm not tired. I love to teach. I love to impact. Do you understand? The second step is research on what is working already in your niche. Do you get me? This is one of the easiest way for you to grow fast. Research on what is working in your niche and start creating content or start creating videos relating to those ideas, to those topics that are already trending, that are already doing well in your niche. For instance, this particular niche I'm into, how to grow and monetize your YouTube channel. People are looking for how to start content creation, how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, how to get 4,000 hours of watch time fast. That already is working. I don't need to go and start creating video on how I set my tripod. I mean something totally different. Research on what is working and create your videos based on those topics that are already doing well. You can use ChatGPT to get what is working. You can use but you can use vidIQ. There are different tools. You can even use the Google AI. The Google, YouTube is an affiliate of Google. You understand? So you can use the Google AI to research for topics that are already doing well in your niche. Research for topics that people are already searching for, that has lots of traffic in your niche. I'm going to give you a practical example here. Let me get my phone. This is the Google AI Gemini. You all can see my screen right now. I want to start a YouTube channel centered around YouTube growth and monetization. Suggest topics that are in high demand, or that are topping in search, that are in high demand and gets lots of traffic in this niche. Did you see the prompt I gave it? So let's just wait for it to give us what we want. It says that's a fantastic and profitable niche. The demand for actionable advice on YouTube growth, blah blah blah. Let's go and see the topics we have. It said here are top topics for growth and monetization. We have number 1, short form strategy and monetization. These are for short video, YouTube short. I want to see long form. Okay, you can see some topic. It says top 7 AI tools that you can edit your YouTube videos with, best creating content, a 30 days YouTube schedule. You can see topics. Another idea here is affiliate marketing on YouTube. The topic is my $1,000 per month strategy, or how to get your first sponsorship deal on YouTube. Another one is the easiest digital product to sell as a small content creator. Can you see lots of ideas? Video idea generator that you can use. Can you see? Now research on what is working and create content on that particular topic that are working. You can equally check other content creators in your niche. Check their videos, see those videos that are doing very well. Let me show you practically again. Let's go on to YouTube. Please follow me closely, okay? Follow me closely. I'm going to explain things very functional for you in this video. Now if I go onto YouTube like so, and I search for a content creator, let's say Think Media creates content around YouTube growth and monetization, right? This is Think Media. This is a very big YouTuber, over 3.37 million subscribers. So what I'm gonna do is click on their videos. When I click on their videos, I'll click on their popular videos. Now you see their videos that has 9.6 million views. I'm going to scroll down. You can see some of the topics. How to create a YouTube channel for beginner. That is a trending one. You can see another one, best copyright free music for YouTube videos. How to make YouTube videos on your phone. So you can see some of their videos that has loads and loads of views, millions of views. So search for creators in your niche. Check their popular videos, at least popular videos that are within 1 or 2 years, right? And then see those ones that has loads of views. You can go ahead and create something similar on your channel. It is likely to start getting views as well. Step number 3, after you must have researched on what is working already, the third thing you need to do is ensure that you're creating value-packed videos. Guys, people don't want to waste their time. Give them something valuable for their time. See, people are, taking their time to watch your videos. Don't just make them watch your videos and they're like, nah, this is a clickbait. This is not giving what it is meant to give. Make sure that you have a lot of value packed in your video. Let your videos be actionable. For instance, I'm teaching you how to grow faster and monetize your YouTube channel. You will not be watching up to this point if you're not getting value from this video, right? So make sure your videos are packed with value. I know we always preach consistency, but let there be more quality video than quantity. Let your video carry weight. Quality over quantity. Quality in the value you're passing out, in the value you have packed in that content. Take your time to do your research. Take your time to script your video very well. Take your time to film and edit your videos very well. I have a YouTube video on this channel that will show you how to make videos with your phone. right? How to edit your video. That video, I will link it down. Go watch it. You will gain a lot from it, especially if you are a beginner. You don't know how to get started with that video. Trust me, you're gonna find your feet. You're gonna see how to do things seamlessly. Edit your videos with good editing apps like CapCut. Add transition, make your videos interesting. Add text. So let your videos be packed with value. That is when people are going to watch and watch for a longer duration. Step number 4, optimize your videos. Optimize your videos. I always say this, don't just post your videos anyhow. Be intentional about every single video you put out there. When you hear me talk about optimizing your video, I'm talking about your SEO, search engine optimization. How do you optimize your video so that when people search for videos in your niche, your video is going to pop up, your video is going to be suggested to them? You need to optimize your videos very well so that YouTube can even start recommending your videos for you. You don't need to do much. You don't need to do much. Your thumbnail, your description, your title, ensure that there are always relevant keywords that are related to your videos on this metadata. Your thumbnail, your title, and your description, your hashtags. Optimize your video. If you don't know how to optimize your videos, you let me know. I'm going to create a video on that and show you how to search for relevant keywords that can help your videos rank here on the YouTube platform. I already have a video that will teach you, that will show you practically how to design highly optimized thumbnails for your videos. Your thumbnails are so important because these are the first thing, or this is the first picture that people will see before they decide on clicking on your videos. If your thumbnail is not optimized, if your thumbnail is not attractive, people will not click. So you need those clicks, and for you to get those clicks, you need to work on your thumbnail. Your thumbnail should be bold. I have a detailed video where I showed how you can design thumbnail with your smartphone using Canva. Again, that video will be down in the description, and also at the end of this video, I'm going to link it up here for you. So just watch through this video. Towards the end, you will see a video on the screen. Go watch that video as well. So important. So learn to optimize your video. Use the best thumbnail you can design. Use the best title. ChatGPT can even help you with, optimizing your video. I'm going to make a separate video on that one. So that's the 4th thing you need to do. Step number 5 is consistency. Guys, I don't want to say much about this because I usually say this a lot, and it has become like a national anthem on this page. I mean, consistency pays. Go check those big YouTubers you're admiring. Go check their channel. You wouldn't see them doing anything less than 2 videos in a week. Yeah, you wouldn't see them doing less than maybe a video in a week. At least for you that you're just starting, 3 videos in a week is not bad. 3 videos a week, you can plan it. You can plan it. You can schedule when you're creating content, when you're editing, you upload them, and then you schedule when they will go live. You can put out 3 videos in a week as a beginner, so that when you get your 1,000 subscribers, your 4,000 hours of watch time, you can now decide maybe you want to continue or you want to start posting once a week. But when you're just gathering momentum, put in full force, put in your 100 if you want to grow faster. There was a channel I started. On that channel, I was posting 2 videos in a day. Don't ask me how I did it. I mean, it is something I planned. I was posting 2 videos every single day, and guys, guess what? That channel got monetized within 28 days, and I'm not even joking. That channel currently has over 50,000 subscribers. It got monetized within 28 days. What? How did I get that? Hard work, consistency, it pays. So if you can put in the work, you're going to see results. That I assure you. YouTube rewards consistency. It rewards consistency. I mean, when you're always showing up, the YouTube algorithm is noticing that this person is always putting out content, and not just putting out content, people are watching. They will start pushing out these videos for you. In as much as your videos are good, packed with value, you optimize it very well, YouTube will recognize it. It rewards hard work. And then the final step is step number 6. Ensure you improve on every of your upload. What do I mean by this? The videos you're posting today should be better than the ones you posted yesterday. The videos you're going to post tomorrow should be better than today's one and even yesterday's one. I know you started with just your phone, yes, but you can make it better. You can up your editing game. Come onto YouTube, learn how to edit videos, learn how to add some animation effects, sound effects on your videos to make them interesting for people to watch. Nobody, I repeat, nobody started YouTube all perfect. Those big YouTubers you're admiring, right? They did not start big. They started from somewhere. They started from somewhere. So as you're uploading, you're learning more, you're learning more, you're learning more. And so those things you're learning, put it into your content to make your videos more beautiful, more quality, more interesting. So improve on every upload. Don't start your video today not looking good and tomorrow you don't even care. You're uploading the same quality, the same. No. Yes, we are preaching consistency, but even as you're trying to be consistent, think about quality videos. I mean, this is the time of quality. The competition is high on here. So if your quality is not good, now look into it. Improve on every of your upload and you will see yourself breaking ground. You will see yourself getting those hundreds of thousands of views that you're yearning to get. You will start getting them. It is not as difficult as it may seem right now. Start implementing everything here I've explained to you, or trust me, you start seeing a very positive change on your channel. I can't wait to see you at the top. Get started. If you're yet to start, get started with our YouTube channel. It is a win-win thing. Thank you so much for watching. There's a video here on the screen. Go check it out, how to design YouTube thumbnail. You're gonna find it really helpful. I love you.